What's the meaning of adaptable? Adaptable. 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 The term adaptable refers to the ability to adjust or change in response to new circumstances or situations. An adaptable person or system can make necessary modifications to achieve desired outcomes even in unpredictable environments. A key aspect of adaptability is flexibility, which allows individuals or organizations to respond to changing conditions without losing their focus or effectiveness. Being adaptable is an essential trait for success in today's fast-paced and rapidly changing world, where the ability to pivot and adjust quickly can mean the difference between failure and success. In short, being adaptable means being able to handle unexpected challenges and opportunities with ease and creativity.